Hello everyone, our product is automatic notepad making. Myself and mobile. I am Yash.
I am J. Ramesh.
I am Mr. Kumar.
I am Lee Naveen.
This is the power supply we are using in our project which convert 230 volt to 24 volt, and this is a control we are using in our project. This is a delta PLC and a buck converter to convert 24 volt into 12 volt, and this is a 4-channel relay for switching purpose to switch the direction motor back to forward, and these are the two 5x2 solenoid valve spring rated to one control for the stapling process and another one to push out the end process.
This is control panel. This is on off switch used to switch on and off the entire process, and this is a stop button. These are the feedback indicators. The first one is phasing sheet indicator. When phasing sheet is empty, this indicator is on and buzzer is also on. When the A5 sheet is empty, this indicator is on and buzzer also on. When the count sheet is empty, these indicators are on. Actually, this is count 1. We given the input as a 20 count. First button, the process only count only 20 pepper, and this is a 40 pepper input count. This is the first module of the normal sections. We using the DC motor 60 RPMs. We using the racket pedal mechanism to move the forward and backward with help of the heavy switches. And this is model 2. We using the A5C brake. This is a A5C brake. We using the three motors to come to the arranging brake. When counting process to help of the motor index sensor.
This is our model 3 phasing sheet. Phasing sheet goes to the arranging tray. With the help of rack and pinion mechanism, we will arrange it, and with the help of pneumatics, and we staple it, and with the help of another pneumatics, we are to stop it.
Okay, let's see the working of our project. This is the first module. With the help of racket pinion mechanism and limit switch, we push the cardboard. Here is the cardboard. When the limit switch reaches the forward, it retracts and reaches the backward, and which causes the cardboard to move to the arranging tray. This is the model 2. Here we placed A5 sheets, and they are moved with the help of three rollers and 3 motors. The 3 motors are of 60 RPM, which causes the paper to move to the arranging tray. This is the module 3. From here we get the phasing sheet, which is placed on top of the notepad, and here is the arranging process. This helps the paper to arrange properly. This is the module 5. With this we staple the notepad, and here is another pneumatics which pushes the notepad out.